keeping the people in this business, in other words, retention of people, is required to become successful in network marketing. Why? You may show 10 plans a day and get few sign-ups. But to go for a huge commission check, you need to have a lot of people doing the same thing. Then only you can go for a higher commission check. So learning how to keep your people in the business switched on is very important. So in this video, I will explain you few of my thoughts on how to keep people in this business. So let's move on. So let me draw a line. Okay, I'll draw a line where the left side of the line is switched off and the right side of the line, let's say, switched on. So the person who is signing up with this business on the day one, the reason why he signed up was because he wanted to do this business, right? So he must be in the switched on side in the beginning. So for a longer period of time, if you keep him in this side, then he will learn to stay in this side by himself. From the day one, he won't know how to stay in this side forever. So what are the things you can do to keep your new downline in this side more often? Because sometimes, they go to this side and then you again motivate them, inspire them, give them a lot of training videos, take them for trainings, and you try to bring them back to this side, right? And then they face some rejections, again they go back to this side, right? Again you pull them here, again you go back, again you try your best to bring him here, right? So in this video, we'll discuss about what are the things which will help you to keep your downline in this side more often. So let me ask you a few questions. So just after he signs up, if he goes through a meeting where he understands what to do and what not to do, do's and don'ts, if he understands clearly about what to do and what not to do you think he can stay in this side for some time? Because if he don't know what to do and what not to do, what will he do? He will go home and he will talk to a lot of friends, relatives, maybe family, right? And they will put a lot of negativity into him, and then he will come back switched off, or maybe he will never come back again. So within the first 24 hours, no need to say 24 hours, just after he signs up, it's required to tell him or to explain him what to do and what not to do very clearly. And also in that meeting, it's required to give him some level of belief about the industry, about the company, and maybe about the future of network marketing and future of the company. So with that, he gets some level of belief and he goes home, and maybe if he can't control his mouth and if they say something, but he still has some level of belief, right? So because of that, he might survive, right? So that is one thing you must do with your new downline. What else? What else you can do? So there are unlimited things you can do to keep them in this side. And when you learn how to keep somebody in this side more often, then only you become a good upline who can retain people. So let's see, if your new downline who is standing here, right? If you watch a training video about mindset or maybe anything, okay, will you move this side? Yes, of course. If you watch a product training video, learn about a product, will you move this side? Of course. If you make one friend, one very good friend inside your team, will he stay more frequently in this side? Yes. What if he makes one enemy? What if he doesn't like the attitude of some upline? He will go this side, right? So what if he feel that these people don't care about him? He will definitely go this side, right? What if you teach him to log into the website and understand how the website works and show him all the product purchase receipts? Will he move this side? Of course, yes. He gets more belief about the company, and also he gets more belief about the uplines who are very transparent. What if you add him into some groups, maybe your WhatsApp groups where there are a lot of daily motivation going on, or maybe some Facebook groups? What will happen? He will definitely move more into this side, right? So in the first week, what if he earns a commission? What will happen if he earns a commission? He will move here, right? Because when you see that the company is paying you money and with your efforts, you made some money, right? It doesn't need to be $1,000, $2,000, maybe $10,000. Just say a direct referral commission of, let's say, $50. This creates a huge belief, right? So what if he face a rejection from a neighbor or maybe a relative? He might go here, right? So by the time he gets a rejection from a family member, what if he has a best friend in the business who will take a bullet for him? He will not care about this, right? So you see, it's again plus and minus, right? For him to face a rejection, he must have reasons inside him why he wants to stay with this company, why he has to take this business seriously. What if he understands his dreams? What if he understands all his dreams and if he realizes very clearly that only this business can take him into his dreams, nothing else? He will move even more further, right, with the dreams. So what if he start loving power of association? Because you guys never talk about negativity, right? To talk about positive, you can do it, mindset, success, freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, mental freedom, max out, make $1 million, right? So he'll be more happy, right? Happy to associate, right? What if he has an upline who is talking about problems always? You know, today I had this problem, my family problem, this problem, that problem, right? He might go this side, right? So just think about the books. There are a lot of network marketing books, right? Even there are a lot of mindset books. What if your downline reads a book, complete book? Will he move this side? Yes. What if he read 10 books? He might go somewhere here, right? So in order for you to keep him in this side, you need to take a paper and pen and write down what things can move him into the switched on side and what things can move him into switched off side. And if you realize it properly, you have to start doing more about this and less about this. He goes to Facebook and he goes up and down and he sees a lot of people posting about this problem, that problem, about his negative friends talking all negativity, right? Putting out all the negativity. Do you think he will take the business seriously? No. He will be sucked into that, right? What if he follow a lot of network marketing pages where a lot of people are sharing a lot of positive quotes, sharing a lot of positivity? What if he had a lot of friends on your organization where you guys post a lot of positive things? So when you go up and down in the home page, he will see a lot of positive quotes by your uplines, right? What will be his feeling towards you guys if he can see such positivity in the social media which he use, let's say Facebook? What if he see a lot of positive network marketing videos when he logged into his YouTube channel? What if he see a lot of positive network marketing quotes when he goes to his Instagram? What if he sees positive things even when he goes to Twitter? So the more he see a lot of positive things about the industry and the company, he start to move further to the right side, to the side of switched on. So once a new person signs up with you, make sure to take his mobile with him and follow all the uplines Facebook profiles, all the switched on positive uplines, and also all the Facebook pages which gives him positivity, and all the YouTube channels which gives him positivity, and all the Instagram profiles which gives him positivity. And make sure to download all the applications given by your company, right? There are many apps, right? If you download these apps, there will be notifications time to time, right? So when he sees the notification, he's again going to think about the company, think about the business. So you see how many little things you can do to give him positivity into his subconscious mind. So from his subconscious mind, time to time he will be thinking about this business, right? Is it going to keep him in this right side? Of course, yes. So now think about you meeting your upline today. An upline explains something where you get so much motivated. And then you don't meet your upline for 3 weeks. Now think about your energy. Will you have enough energy to continue this business? No, of course not. You almost switched off by that time. If you spend 3 weeks without meeting any of your uplines, I don't think you can continue the business anymore, because you spent 21 days without putting business into your mind. So your mind already programmed to live without this business. So you can't even waste one day. Day by day, day by day, day by day, day by day, you have to associate with the business. And you need to associate your people with the business. So make sure every day, hours after hours after hours after hours, every hour, okay, your downlines are getting exposed into your business continuously. Without that, it's really hard to keep a person switched on for a longer period of time. And you know, once your downline stayed switched on for a very long time and makes a lot of money, what is going to happen to him? He will learn by himself to stay switched on. So guys, I hope you understood this message. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, comment below.